Dear students, once again I welcome you in my YouTube channel where you can learn English very easily. So let's start one interesting topic. Here you can see one picture. A car is moving on the road. Next one, two cars are moving on the road. Did you get any idea what we are going to read today? So today's topic is subject, verb and agreement. Dear friends, subject verb agreement means we have to agree the verb according to the subject. If the subject is singular, verb will be singular. But if the subject is plural, verb will be plural. So let's start. We'll start with general rules. First one, a singular subject takes the verb in singular and a plural subject takes the verb in plural. Example, there is a cat. You can say one more, there are three cats. So dear friends, a cat took singular verb and three cats took plural verb. I hope you understood. Let us move. An uncountable noun, though plural in sense, takes a verb in singular form. Example, Poonam's hair is grey. Although we can't count hairs, but we are using singular verb. The grass is getting long. Again, we can't count the grass, but we will use singular verb. Next one, we can use the plus adjective with a plural verb to refer to some group of people in society like the old, the rich, the poor, etc. Example, the old are generally respected. Next one, two or more singular subjects connected by and usually take a verb in the plural. Like Yash and Prashant are two brothers. Yash and Prashant, two are there, but they are connected with and, so we will use plural verb. If two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing or two subjects together express one idea, the verb must be singular. Like the captain and manager of the team is coming. Here the captain and manager, it is same person. So we will use singular verb. But if I say the captain and the manager of team are coming, it means the captain and the manager both are different persons. So we will use plural verb. Next one. Titles and names of books, movies, novels, and other similar works also take a singular verb when they refer to one thing. Like Bahubali was a very successful film. I hope many of you have watched this movie. It was very interesting movie and very successful film. Next one, The Arabian Nights has delighted many generations. Dear friends, it looks like plural title, but it will take singular verb. Next one, phrase of measurement, though plural in form, takes a singular verb. Like 2 hours is a long time to wait. Oh my god, I'm waiting for 2 hours. So 2 hours is a long time to wait. We use a singular verb after a subject with every, each, any, everyone, someone, anything, and nothing. Like every pupil has a book. You can say every pupil is having book. If two or more singular subjects preceded by each or every are connected by and, the verb is usually singular. Each boy and each girl was dressed with a new dress. Every man and woman of the village was present at the festival. Next one, when the subjects joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor are of different numbers, the plural subject comes later and the verb must be plural. So we will follow the plural subject which is coming afterwards. Like Vikas or his friends have done this work. We will follow his friends which is coming afterwards. Next one. Two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor take a verb in singular. Priya or Bhav is fond of sweets. Dear friends, here both the subjects are singular. So verb will be singular only. One more. Neither Vishesh nor Narendra was there. Here you can see Vishesh and Narendra both are singular subject. So we will use singular verb. When the subjects joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor are of different persons, the verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. Like either Nirmala or I have watered plants. Here we will follow I. So we have used have. Next one, neither you nor Dhruv is to blame. Here we have to follow Dhruv. So we are using is. That is singular verb. Next one, when subject differing in number or person or both are connected by and, the verb must always be in the plural, though the placing of persons would be according to second, third and first persons. Once again I am saying to you, whenever we are using all the persons, first of all we will use second person, then third person and then first person. Like you, he and I are friends. Once again I am saying, repeating, second person, third person and first person. Next one, a collective noun takes a singular verb when it is thought of as a whole and takes a plural verb when the individuals are separately thought of. Like the army was motivated. Here you can see the picture. He is motivating the army. So everyone is motivated. But the next one, the jury are divided in their opinion. Here, friends, the jury members are divided in their opinion. So we have used plural verb. So collective noun, when it is working as a whole, it will take singular verb. But when it is divided, it is not working as a unit. It will take plural verb. Next one. Subordinate clause that come between the subject and verb don't affect their agreement. Like the dog who is chewing on my jeans is usually very good. Next one. Some nouns which are singular in form but plural in meaning take a plural verb. These include police, people, staff, dozen, etc. Example, the police are questioning a man. Next one, the policeman is watching outside the house. Whenever we are using the police, we have to use plural verb, but the policeman, we will use singular verb. Be careful. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take a verb in singular form. Like the news is true. Mitron, the news is true. Be careful. Some nouns are always plural and take a verb in plural form. These includes belongings, clothes, congratulations, goods, earnings, savings, riches, premises, particulars, stairs, surroundings, etc. Here you can see the examples with pictures. So dear friends, please keep in mind. When the subject of a sentence is a phrase, that is a group of words, the verb must agree with the main noun in the subject group. Example, the quality of oranges is not good. Here we have to stress on the quality. So we will use singular. We will not use plural verb. When words are joined by with, together with, as well as, besides. The verb agrees with the first subject. He, with all his family members, is enjoying the picnic. We will use singular verb according to he. Be careful. When the subject of the verb is a relative pronoun, care should be taken to see that the verb agrees in number and person with the antecedent of the relative pronoun. I, who am your friend, should stand by you. Dear friends, here we have used I, so the verb will work according to I. Next one, when sentence start with there or here, the subject will always be placed after the verb following the subject. There is a problem with the balance sheet. Problem is there, so we are using singular verb. Next one, here are the papers we requested. Papers are there, so we are using plural verb. Exercise time, dear friends. Here are some questions in front of you. Just you have to use here singular verbs or plural verbs. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel for watching this kind of interesting videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.